Is there a Finder shortcut in Mac like the Windows E shortcut to bring up Windows Explorer? In Windows, no matter what application you're in, Windows will bring up a Windows Explorer window. Is there a similar shortcut in Mac? Currently I have to Command Tab until Finder is selected, then press Command for a new window.
There is no shortcut integrated into the OS. However, there are workarounds. Option Command Space opens a Spotlight window, from which you can navigate to where you wish to go as in Finder. It is essentially a Finder window, just open to Spotlight. Use a shortcuts manager such as Quicksilver or Spark to create a custom shortcut.
There is a more generic way, although not straightforward. Open Automator. Create a new service. Close to the upper left corner of the Automator window, there is a button labeled Variables. Push it. In the second column there is a variable named Path. Double-click it. A blue bubble labeled Path appears in a list at the bottom right of the Automator window. Double-click it. In the pop-up, change the directory, select the directory that will be the initial one shown by your Finder, then click Done. Drag the bubble path to the empty gray area at the right of the window and drop it. An item named GetValue of Variable appears as first step of the workflow. Click on the button Actions next to the button Variables. See Step 3. In the first column, select Files or Folders. In the second column, double-click Open Finder Items. An item named Open Finder Items appears as second step of the workflow. Make sure your read service receives no input in any application above the workflow diagram. Save the service, using menu File/Save. Type in the name Open Finder, then click Save. Now open the System Preferences. Select Keyboard, then Keyboard and Shortcuts. In the left column, highlight Services. In the right column, find the name Open Finder in the General section and select it. Click the button Add Shortcut next to the name Open Finder. Type the shortcut of your choice, but conflicts with existing shortcuts do not seem to be notified by Pay System. Sorry for the number of steps. I wish it were simpler. You can use this method to create any kind of shortcut.
Thought I share this perfect solution with you guys, which I cannot believe I haven't find anywhere on web. Go to NGT, System Preferences and GT, Keyboard. Scroll to NGT, Spotlight. Mark Show Spotlight window, and put your desired shortcut. I use Ctrl E, which is easiest in my opinion to press from Mac keyboard. It acts even better than Windows Explorer. When you customize the sidebar on Finder window for your most accessed folders, I suggest hiding the color code balls also. In Finder, make sure you have View and GT, Show Toolbar and Show Sidebar enabled. You are welcome.
Yes, there is a way. Option Alt, Command, Space.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.